There's more solar batteries available on the market now than ever before, but in 2026, these are the ones that we really recommend. G'day everyone, Dan here from GI Energy. Today I'm talking about solar batteries and which ones you should install in 2026. Battery volume has gone through the roof in recent times. Since the federal rebate was announced midway through 2025, volume has increased by hundreds of %. That means that a lot more manufacturers have taken notice and now poured themselves into the Australian market. There's also a lot more installers now installing batteries, and unfortunately quality control industry-wide has been really difficult. At GI Energy, we're very careful with what we install, and so you should be. So we've done a lot of due diligence. We've been installing since 2011, and these are the ones that we think are the best picks in 2026. So number 3 on that list is BYD. You may be familiar with BYD from their range of vehicles. The BYD Shark was the best-selling ute, I believe, in Australia, overtaking the Ford Ranger last year. They've got a very strong presence here now. I went to China many years ago and there was BYD vehicles everywhere before they'd been heard of here. The history goes back for many years. They're a really robust company. So if you're looking for a battery that comes from a very credible, very good, solid brand, then BYD tick that box without some of the sort of bells and whistles that some of the other brands do, which is why they were number 3. And in number 2, we have Tesla Powerwall. So Tesla Powerwall have had a few iterations over the years. Their current model is a fantastic model. I have the predecessor at home, the Powerwall 2. And in terms of branding, obviously they're the biggest brand. Everybody's heard of Tesla. Everyone knows who Elon Musk is. They've created a great product. The only downside really, which is why they're number 2 on this list, is if you have a 3-phase home, you can back it up, but you can't recharge your battery when the sun comes out the next day. That's a significant enough downside for me to have them a little bit lower down this list. That brings us to number 1, and we're going to get berated a little bit here because we've sat on the fence a bit. It's a tie. So in the number 1 position, we have Sigenergy and Sungrow, and it really is horses for courses depending on what you want and need. Sungrow recently have improved their range. They now have a large 110 kilowatt hybrid inverter. They also have a 50 kilowatt stack of batteries that's good for small commercial. They also have an EV charger now that integrates with their ecosystem, and they've been here for a very long time. They're another very robust choice. Their range is very impressive, so that's moved them up to tie with Sigenergy at number 1. Sigenergy are a better product if you're looking for more tech. So they have an EV DC charger, which means that you can charge a car very quickly, and when the time comes, you're able to access vehicle to grid and vehicle to home. Sungrow doesn't have that. The safety features are improved. They're a very energy dense battery, so they take up less space. They're all in one modular design, so there's no separate inverter. That improves the way backup is done a little bit. So we've done a longer video that goes into all of this in a lot more detail. I'm trying to keep this one short and concise and to the point, but if you do have questions, comments, please hit us up in the comments. We'll put a link to the longer video in the description as well. And if you'd like to know more, please feel free to get in touch. We've been doing this since 2011 and we would love to help. Thanks very much for watching.